Hello everyone, I'm I.R.O. Today I would like to demonstrate how to panel line Gunpla models using Tamiya panel line accents. So without further ado, let's get to it. The technique is very simple. Grab the part you want to ink the panels and remove the cap from the bottle. When you remove the cap from the Tamiya bottle, the cap comes with a tiny brush-like attachment used to paint in the panels. Then you pour in the paint by poking the brush into the panel line. As you can see here, the paint will automatically fill in the line. If the paint didn't fill in all of the lines, then you would poke onto another point to fill in. Don't worry about making a mess because it can be cleaned up later. Since the accent color is enamel based, it needs to dry and cure for a long time before it can be worked with. After about an hour, the paint dried thoroughly, so then we can start cleaning up the mess. I use Mr. Weathering color solvent and Tamiya's cotton swab round flat to clean up the mess. I dab the cotton swab into the solvent and remove the excess with a tissue. Then I use the cotton swab to rub into the area I want to clean up. As you can see, the mess is getting cleaned up. When everything is done, this is what the two parts would look like. Just to show you how much panel lining can make a difference to a Gunpla, here is the Turn A model without panel lining. I intentionally left some gaps on the model so as to prevent the paint from seeping into the seam line. Then this is what the model looks like after a decent panel lining with the accent color. I've painted extra details using Gundam Markers, and that tutorial link will be in the description below. But overall, so much more information has been added to the model that it's very interesting to see. That is all for this demonstration. I hope this helped many of you, and I will be happy to answer any questions you might have. This was I.R.O, and thank you for watching.